This video is for the 7th grade social media assignment 1, create a homepage. First, your partner should be on the website template. You're going to click on the file menu, click on make a copy, and then click OK. And what you can do is just exit out of the original one and just have the copy of the website template. Then what you want to do is share it with your partner. So you'll click on the share button, type in your partner's email address, and hit send. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to do the home page today. You want to include at least 4 sentences that tell the topics you're going to be teaching about on your website. So here's an example. You can start off with a welcome sentence saying, welcome to the name of your website, where we teach you about the latest information on popular social media apps. The second sentence can tell the first topic, which is how to screenshot a snap without the sender knowing. The next sentence can tell what the next topic is, where your Instagram photos are stored. And then just something like, hope you enjoy our site. So at least 4 sentences, but it doesn't have to be very long. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to open up a new tab. And in the new tab, you're going to go to Weebly.com. And then what you're going to do is click on sign up. Click on G+ sign up. And you're going to click on your account. Click on allow. Might not come up with allow if you've used Weebly before. Then what you want to do is answer this question with not now. We do not want to sell online. You're going to click on other in order to select a theme and click on modern and elegant. We are going to be changing the pictures and if you want the fonts, but for the purposes of following this video, we're going to go with modern and elegant and we're going to click on start editing. Okay, then next what we're going to do is click on the first circle there, use a subdomain of Weebly.com, and then what you're going to do is just type in a name for your website, no spaces. So, for example, John and Jake's social media, and then what you're going to do is click on continue. Make sure that it's available because you can't have an address that's already taken. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to add your partner as an editor. So you're going to click on settings up at the top and then click on editors on the left hand side and then click on add editor up at the top. And then you're just going to type in your partner's email address. Make sure that you include the @hanoverstudents.org at the end and then click on save editor down at the bottom. So then what you're going to do is you're going to click over to the pages menu up at the top and we're going to delete some of these extra pages. So we're going to actually delete the home page. So you're going to click on home, click on delete, and click on delete. And there's a whole reason that we're doing this. Unfortunately, they put a lot of extra stuff on the pages. You're going to click on about, delete, delete, click on blog, delete, delete, click on contact, delete, delete. We're going to keep the shop page because that one has the least amount of stuff on it, but we are going to rename it. So we're going to click on it and we're going to erase where it says shop and we're going to call it welcome. We are going to give it a header. So we're going to click where it says header type and choose header. And then we're going to go over to where it says build up at the top. So now what we're going to do is we're going to just you might have this little thing in the way. You can always just click on it and click the X if you need to. So what we need to do right now is actually get rid of this little picture that's down at the bottom. And it looks like we're probably not going to be able to because we have this lovely little thing right here. So anyway, what we'll do is first we're going to drag a text box to go under the picture of the like the plant right there. And then from there we should be able to scroll down a little bit because we've got this extra little picture of people that we want to get rid of because it has nothing to do with our website. So we're going to click the X, click on delete. All right, so now we just have our text box, our picture, and all this stuff here. So we're going to change where it says Love Seat, and that's where you're just going to put in the name of your website. So it could be something like John and Jake's social media tips. So just something that kind of tells what you're going to be talking about on your website. And then what you're going to do is click where it says click here to edit, and you're going to type in welcome, since this is our welcome page. And then what we're going to do is where it says click here to edit, we're going to copy and paste the paragraph that we just typed out. So we're going to click and drag to highlight it and hit Control-C on your keyboard, then go back over to Weebly, and we're going to click where it says click here to edit, and then hit Control-V on your keyboard. And so then pretty much you're finished with your home page, and if you want, you can experiment with adding another picture there if you happen to finish before class is over. And that's it.